Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How long does a driver's license suspension stay on your record? That's a huge question, and the answer isn't simple, because it really depends on three key things: your state, the reason for the suspension, and which record you're actually talking about. Let's break it down. First, you have your official driving record, the one kept by your state's DMV or BMV. This is the record that tracks points, traffic tickets, and the suspension itself. For most common offenses, like accumulating too many points from speeding tickets, the record of the suspension might stay on your public driving record for about 3 to 5 years. In some states, it could be longer, maybe up to 10 years for more serious violations. The points that led to the suspension usually fall off sooner, often after just 2 or 3 years. This is super important because this is the record your car insurance company pulls. A suspension on this record almost always means you'll face much higher insurance premiums for several years, even long after you get your license back. You might also be required to file an State Route 22 form with the state, which is a certificate proving you have car insurance, and that alone will raise your rates. Now, let's talk about a different, more serious record: your criminal record. If your license was suspended because of a major criminal offense like a DUI, DWI, or a serious reckless driving charge that caused an accident, that conviction creates a criminal record. This is completely separate from your DMV record. A criminal conviction can stay on your record permanently. It doesn't just disappear after a few years. This is the record that shows up on detailed background checks for jobs, housing, or professional licenses. In some states and for certain offenses, you might be able to get the conviction expunged or sealed. Expungement is a legal process where you petition a court to essentially hide the conviction from public view. This is a complex process that often requires hiring an attorney, but it can be a critical step for your future. So, to recap, the administrative suspension on your DMV record might last 3 to 10 years depending on your state's laws. But the criminal conviction behind a serious suspension could last a lifetime unless you can get it expunged. The best thing you can do is get a copy of your official driving record from your state's DMV. This will show you exactly what is listed and for how long. If your suspension was tied to a criminal charge, you should consider speaking with a traffic law attorney in your state to understand your options. They can give you the most accurate information for your specific situation. Thanks so much for watching. We know this can be a confusing and stressful topic. If this video helped clear things up for you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more straightforward answers to your driving and legal questions. Drive safe out there.